Welcome to the new episode of Tax Insights.
Jeet sir, old Form 15CA for foreign remittance has now been replaced by new Form 145?
That's right, Rajita. The form has been simplified and reporting is now clearer and more structured.
Sir, how is the new form structured?
It's divided into 4 parts. Part A is for remittances below 5 lakh rupees. Part B applies when the remittance exceeds 5 lakh rupees and an AO certificate has been obtained. Part C applies when the remittance exceeds 5 lakh rupees and an accountant's certificate is obtained. Part D is used when the remittance does not fall within the scope of tax.
And what if someone already has an AO certificate?
Good point. If you're filing under Part B with an AO certificate, there is no need to separately obtain an accountant's certificate under Part C.
That definitely reduces duplication.
Exactly. Plus, the form now includes UDIN, an 18-digit unique ID generated through the ICAI portal. This enables real-time verification of documents.
That sounds fully digital now.
Yes, the form can now be sent electronically to the authorized dealer. Less manual filing, fewer errors, faster processing.
More convenience, less duplication, and smoother digital compliance. See you in the next episode of Tax Insight.